Alright, so today I have a big box today to unbox. And this will be part one for what's going to be. Once I order the second piece of this, I'll unbox it, I'll do part two. Let's go ahead and pull this off. So, anyways, this will be an unboxing of my Firelite MS-4 panel. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Sorry about that, my camera just ran out of memory, so I had to replace the SD card. So yeah, this is the panel right here. They gave me like some mounting screws for the circuit board. Yes, I know there's no circuit board yet because I'm going to be getting that in a little bit, hopefully. So once I get the circuit board, I'm going to put it in here, and then it's going to go over to where my display board is. So let's go ahead and come over here. I'm going to move you over here. So yeah, this panel right here, I'm going to be replacing. Don't worry, I'm keeping this panel for future tests. So yeah, this panel right here is the ESL 1503. And let me grab my key right here. I think there's like an Edwards key right here. So this is inside. Key right here. This is inside the panel in case you never looked at it. So yeah. Once I get my board, I will do another unboxing on it. I'm going to bring you back over here. So let's take a look what we got here. So right here, this is the inside right here. These little mounting screws right here. These mounting probes. Looks like he gave me extras, which is pretty cool. Possibly they go over here or something. I don't know. In case I want to get a second transformer, which possibly I might want to do. I think these go over here. So yeah, I could get these extras right here. So let's see what we got here. We got the transformer, which is pretty good. It's just connects to the board once I get the board. I don't have the board yet, but I will get a board soon. So that's a transformer. Our mounting screws. Now if we come over here, sorry about the mess back here. I will clean this up eventually. Hold on, I'll be right back with something. Alright, so let's see what we got here. You're actually just going to pull this door off right here. I'm just going to put the body aside. Wow, it's heavy with the transformer in it. Put that there, and I'm going to set this right here. Oh, my magnet's stick to it. So, I'm going to move you over here. So let's see what we got here. It zooms in really well. So, go ahead and focus this real quick. So, it looks like right here, we have the dip switch programming right here. So, this is like all the dip switch programming. And we come down here, completely out of focus. I will focus down. You can come down here. See here. I don't know exactly what this is. I think it's like a little information label or something. I don't know what this is right here. Oh, building codes. That's what it says. So now I'm going to move you over here. Zoom out a little bit. So there's like a shock hazard warning right here. So it's like some sort of like information thing right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it right here. Pretty much for the unboxing. I'll be right back for my outro. Alright, and that is now pretty much it for my video right here. This will be like part one, or possibly just will be like one part thing. I don't know how I'm going to edit it yet, depending on when I get my board. So anyways, this will be like my unboxing on my MS-4, which I'm currently in work in progress getting. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah, I have some.